We will be showing you guys some system basics for your CR180. To get back to regular register mode, you want to press number 1 and key mode. To get into your X report setting, press number 2 and key mode. To get into your Z settings, press 3 and key mode. And to get into general settings, you want to press 4 and key mode. Now management settings are 5 and key mode. To turn the printer on or off, you want to start by pressing number 4 in key mode. Then you want to press your PO button to get to general settings and press cache to enter. Now you want to press enter again on system option, and you want to go down to option 21. It should say PRN on/off. You want to make sure that this option is on yes. If it is on no, press your subtotal button to switch it back to yes. And now press enter. Now you want to go back into number 1 in key mode and press your OPR button to turn the printer on or off. Now, to add a space button while doing your header and footer, now, to add a space button while doing your header and footer, you would press your 00 button.